Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is a no contact reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. Okay, roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story, honey. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course, link is in description. For personal readings and healing sessions, links are given below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below in the description box. So let's start. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. We have the King of Wands, the Judgment, and the Emperor. So they're feeling very much attracted to the idea of being with you again. They feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you. They should ask for forgiveness. They should ask for second chances. But they feel like they should not say or do anything about it because of maybe their ego, their pride, or maybe because of your ego or your pride. They feel blocked in the situation. They feel like see, they definitely have this attraction and pull towards you. They definitely have this energy of wanting to have a second chance with you, but at the same time this person's ego and pride is so big that they feel like they should not do anything about it, even if they are going to die from inside, hoping for the best, hoping for this miracle to happen in their life, where both of you are connected and living a good life with each other. Okay, so let's see what are their intention, what this person wants from you. Yeah, we have the Nine of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, and King of Cups. This person wants to express their feelings to you eventually. Down the line, this person wants to express their feelings to you, how much they love you, how much they care for you, how much they are deeply connected to you. It's like this is their wish fulfillment, this is their desire to at least tell you very honestly what they feel for you, what they feel about the whole dynamics between you and them. Because I'm telling you, their ego and their pride is stopping them from doing things that they are dying to do in this connection, in this situation. For some of you, it could be possible that you have a huge age difference. That is also an issue here. But whatever it is, this person is feeling a lot of pull and attraction towards you, and in their intentions, they want to express their feelings to you with all of their heart and soul down the line, sometime, you know, not right now, maybe. Let's see what action, if any, this person is going to take towards you by the 2nd of Feb, honey. We have the Knight of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Hermit. It's like um, typing a lot of messages and then deleting them. About to call you, then not doing it. Okay, blocking you, unblocking you, blocking you, unblocking you, watching you what you are doing and then doing nothing about it. Watching you what you are doing and then blocking you again if they have blocked you. It's like this person is watching you from a distance. Actually, every move of yours, and they have this surge and this desire to connect or reconnect with you, but the moment they are about to do that, they are going to take a step back. They're like, nope, let me think about it. What if they are going to reject me? What if they are going to say something that's going to hurt me? What if they will do that? What if they will do that? So this person have a lot of excuses to not to connect with you, and that's why they're not doing shit about it. Even if they have this sudden urge and desire to do that from time to time, this person is not doing shit about it because of a lot of reasons, including their pride and ego, right? So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side, because they are thinking and thinking and thinking, sorry, but not doing anything about it. For you, the guidance here is the Eight of Wands. If it is possible from your side to sort it out with this person, just do that, honey. Like, let go of your ego, let go of your pride. If you want to sort it out with this person, and you know, by taking action from your side you can sort it out with this person in some way, please do that. Because once you're going to sort it out with this person, it's going to be easier for you to live your life to in a better way, in a peaceful way. Sorting it out means maybe a proper closure or maybe reconnection. If not, it's completely up to you if you don't want to do that. If not, don't wait for this person to call you or text you like crazy. Move on. Okay, keep moving ahead. Because if you're going to put your life on hold for anything or anyone, and then blaming the whole universe for that, then you are the one to blame here, not the universe, right? Because the universe didn't send you on this planet earth to like wait for somebody's call and somebody's text and waste your life. Don't do that. We often blame the universe for these kind of shitty things. Don't do that. Okay, honey, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.